Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce you to the PowerSmart brand chainsaw. Retails for less than $100, but it looks a little familiar to me. In fact, that's one of the reasons I bought it. It looks almost identical to the Zegjaw. Look at him. Slightly longer bar, slightly thicker plastic, or slightly stronger plastic. Maybe not. Maybe that's just an illusion. Red. Yeah, it's a little better plastic. Yellow. But what really seals the deal on whether or not this is the same brand or not is you can actually take the Zegjaw battery. One second. And stick it in your PowerSmart. Turn the... That's on. Press this here, and it works with the Zegjaw battery. So if this isn't the same design, I'd be a monkey's uncle. Now the question is it just a rebranding? Or did they just change the name? I will have to call them and find out. And this is what it's supposed to be. I had it